With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So here we have a question. We have to integrate sec cube theta with respect to theta. Okay. So here I'm going to solve this, and this is one of the tricky question of integration. Okay. So here the question is sec cube theta d theta. So some of you can think about the substitution method, but it won't work here. So that's why I'm going to solve this question by parts. Okay, yes. So here we have given that integration is equals to sec cube theta d theta, right? And we can write this thing as sec square theta into sec theta, right? D theta. Okay, now what is by part? So by part is basically the method of integration which we use when we have two functions in the product. So when we have u into v with respect to x to integrate, then we can assume that function as one function and this function as my second function. So the integral will given by first function as it is, integration of second function with respect to x, minus differentiation of first function with respect to x, integration of second function with respect to x, and the complete integration with respect to x, right? So this is what by part is. So here we have sec square theta into sec theta. So we have two functions in the product, but the big question is, which function should I assume as my first function and which function should I assume as my second function? Okay, so here the function, I suggest you that the function which you know the integration directly, assume that function as your second function. Okay, so that you can integrate that, right? It makes sense. So sec square theta, so we know the direct integration of sec square theta, that is tan theta. So I'm going to assume this function as my second function and this function as my first function. Okay, remember, don't go with the isolate which you know. Okay, this isolate I'm writing here, don't go with this. Okay, in by part always go with this thing so that you can solve every question easily. Okay, so don't go with that, think like that. The function which you know the integration, assume that function as your second function, and the function which you don't know the integration directly, assume that function as your first function, right? So here I'm going to write this thing over here using by part. So first function as it is means sec theta as it is, integration of second function with respect to x, but here we have the variable theta, that's why I'm writing d theta, minus differentiation of the function, the first function, which is sec theta, okay, with respect to the variable theta, and this integration and the integration of v, which is our second function. So second function is sec square theta d theta, right? And the complete d theta. Okay, now moving further, I'm going to integrate this thing. So it will be, let me write here, it is sec theta, and the integration of sec square theta is tan theta, directly we know. Okay, minus integration of differentiation of sec theta, it is basically sec theta into tan theta. Okay, and into this is sec square theta, which will become tan theta. Okay, because the integration of sec square theta is tan theta d theta already. Okay, now I'm going to simplify this a little, so it will be I equals sec theta tan theta minus integration of sec theta tan square theta d theta, right? Here I'm going to use the simple identity which we already know, which is 1 plus tan, let me write 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sec square theta, and from here I can find the value of tan square theta. So tan square theta will be sec square theta minus 1. So I'm going to replace here. So sec theta tan theta as it is, minus integration sec theta. In place of tan square theta, I'm going to write sec square theta minus 1 d theta, right? Now I'm going to multiply this sec theta in the bracket. So it will be sec theta tan theta minus integration sec cube theta d theta. I'm separating this with the bracket. This minus become plus sec theta d theta integration. Right, now you can clearly observe that this is my I. Okay, so I can write here we have I, so this is I, and because of this minus sign it will add here, so it will become 2i. So 2i equals to sec theta tan theta plus the integration of sec theta, that is what we already know, that is ln mod sec theta plus tan theta plus c as my complete integration constant for my indefinite integration. Now finally I am writing my answer. I will be equals to 1 by 2 sec theta tan theta plus ln mod sec theta plus tan theta, and that 1 by 2 in the denominator. So I'm writing it is 1 by 2 plus c as my complete integrating constant. Okay, so this is my final answer for this particular question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.